Hi and welcome. In front of me is Audio Pro C20 speaker, and today I will show you how to hard reset it from the level of your speaker. Let's get started. At first we have to power our device up with this button over there. Now we have to turn it almost upside down, and as you can see there is a button called reset. We have to hold it for a moment, and now our device is restarted and hard resetted. As you can see, our Wi-Fi sign is lightened up. That's it for today. Like and subscribe for more these types of videos. Hope it helps. Goodbye.